Ageless, it's what everyone wants to be. While there may not be a fountain of youth, you can do something to prevent and reverse the signs of aging. Enter Ageless, Agile's revolutionary all-gel, all-natural anti-aging skincare system. When you use nutritional supplements, your body receives antioxidant benefits from the inside out. However, that means your skin is the last part of your body to receive those nutrients. With Ageless, your skin's wellness comes first. Using only natural, nutrient-rich ingredients, Ageless is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It contains no harsh chemicals, colorants, or fragrances. Natural extracts soothe skin, strengthen blood vessels, improve elasticity, and reduce and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. These rejuvenating antioxidants repair and hydrate skin, as well as combat damage from the environment and stress. As a topical gel, Ageless enhances your skin's ability to absorb nutrients that prevent and reverse the signs of aging, thus pampering your skin from the outside in and providing extraordinary age-defying results for all skin types. Gentle Daily Cleansing Gel is a fresh, lightly foaming gel that gently removes makeup and impurities while eliminating dead skin cells, preparing your skin to be exfoliated and to absorb nutrients in the products that follow. Ingredients like bisobolo, ginger root extract, grapeseed extract, and hydrolyzed vegetable protein soothe, improve internal moisture, and rejuvenate skin. Gentle Daily Cleansing Gel for soft, clean, supple skin. Revitalizing Gel Scrub gently and effectively exfoliates and purifies the skin, removing dead skin cells and allowing new cells to surface. Grapeseed extract, provitamin B5, and vitamin E smooth and moisturize skin. This unique formulation addresses specific issues related to the T-zone where dirt and oil normally accumulate. Exfoliate 3 to 5 times per week for a smooth and radiant complexion. Refreshing Antioxidant Misting Gel is a light, hydrating mist that tones and balances your skin and removes all traces of cleanser and impurities. Ingredients such as aloe vera and allantoin moisturize, soothe, and encourage normal cell growth. Use it morning and night to complete the cleansing process and restore your skin's natural moisture. Intensive Anti-Aging Gel Serum is packed with vitamins and antioxidants such as acai berry, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid that restore your complexion, minimizing fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. These ingredients also enhance your skin's collagen synthesis, improve elasticity, and renew your skin's natural glow, visibly reducing the signs of aging. Daily Moisturizing Gel hydrates skin and prevents free radical formation, protecting your skin from daily stresses. Ingredients like grapeseed extract, beta-glucan, and vitamin E also strengthen blood vessels, reduce moisture loss, and protect skin. Daily Moisturizing Gel combats toxins and keeps your skin hydrated. Age-Defying Eye Gel is specially formulated to brighten the eye area and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Anti-irritating, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial ingredients work together to promote collagen and elastin production, reduce moisture loss, and improve cellular rejuvenation. Nourishing Night Gel is an ultra-rich cream specially formulated with pomegranate extract, vitamin E, and vitamin A to enhance cell renewal, restore elasticity, and renew your skin surface while you sleep. These ingredients also protect skin from free radicals and leave your skin soft, supple, and youthful. Use it nightly to restore your skin's elasticity and wake with healthier, younger-looking skin. The results you get from using Ageless will be tremendous. Your skin will be younger-looking, more radiant, timeless. Ageless. Nourish your skin from the outside in.